So hey guys, in this video we are going to study about how to download and install QBASIC in our computer. For installing QBASIC, first of all we have to open Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome we have to search for QBASIC download, and we can see here in third or fourth website here is of QBASIC.net, and we have to scroll down and we have to look for QBASIC 1.1. Scroll down. Now we can see here QBASIC 1.1. Simply download this file, close this ad. Now we can see our file is downloaded. We have to open download folder. We can click Ctrl J. Now we can see here is our QB11. Just right click and extract here. Now we can see our QB folder is appeared here. Simply we have to copy this file on our desktop. So right click and copy. Minimize this all tabs. Now we just have to paste here. We can see here QB11 folder is appeared here. Now double click to open it. Now we can see here QBASIC. Open it. Now let's see our QBASIC is opened. Just press ESC and now we can write program here. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.